Rapo here. Welcome to another video. Today we're in Roma, looking at 4-bedroom apartments, fully furnished and serviced. They're for sale just along Lusaka Road. In a 5-mile radius we have the MTN headquarters, International School of Lusaka, Orlando Taxi, Foxdale Court, just to name a few places. So it's actually a very good location. We'll be looking at house number 2. There are 13 flats in total. There's a swimming pool and a gym. I'll put all the details below for options, for the purchase options. So let's go in and see what we have. So if it's for rent, there are actually 2 available. One is vacant, the one I've seen, and the other, which is being used by the property manager. So this is the inside. First thing on our left, we have a bedroom, fully furnished, TV with the balcony here. Small balcony, very relaxed. Here's your bed. Now right here we have the bathroom, sink, toilet, and shower. So next we go this way. On our left, where we have our guest toilet, the powder room. We have the toilet there, sink, mirror. Here next we have the laundry room, washing machine there. Next is the living room. We've got very high ceilings. See? Living room, TV room, there's a TV, couch. This is the kitchen and dining area, so it's an open plan setup. This is the kitchen area. You have a sink there, flat top stove, microwave, and fridge. Before we go upstairs, so there's one, the first thing we saw downstairs, the other 3 rooms are upstairs. Before we go up, let's take a look at the backyard. So each apartment has its own private backyard, very spacious. You have a sitting area there and a right area here. Sunday barbecue. This one gets soaked. Also a fountain, it's currently off. So yeah, just take a view from here. So that's our backyard. Let's go back in. I don't know if I mentioned, the complex also has a gym and a swimming pool at the far end. We try and squeeze in a pic or something for the end of the video. One last look at the living area. High ceilings. Let's go up. We start with the first room here, which is the master. Or do we? Yeah, where do we? This is our master bedroom. We have the bed, dresser, TV, and closet space, wardrobe. With the balcony, overlooking the backyard. And people are crying, but you can't see the bride. I guess if you're having a bride and someone's getting some extra pieces of chicken, you wouldn't see them either. Next, before we go to the next room, we have our bathroom here, jacuzzi tub, sink, toilet, and shower. So the master is the only room with a jacuzzi tub. The others just have showers and they're opposite each other. Here's our more storage space here, just in the hallway. We'll start with this one. Here's the bathroom. We have a shower here, toilet and a sink and mirror. Next, let's look at the bedroom. There's our bed. Storage space there. And our dresser. Oh, desk. Work. Kept ready for work. TV. And the balcony here. Overlooking the front of the complex. Okay, let's head back inside and have a look at the last room on our left. It's got double beds, two single beds, and the balcony also similar to the room just underneath downstairs. We're just on top here. So we'll look at the bathroom. So I guess that's all for this video. The apartments, like I said earlier, are for sale or rent. If you're looking for a good investment opportunity in Zambia or Lusaka to be specific, great location. Like I mentioned earlier, there's the MTN headquarters, there is Poganda Taxi, Foxdale Court. So a lot of very developed area just along Lusaka Road. For all details in the description about pricing and purchasing options. Depending where you're watching this from, like, share, subscribe. Just because another real estate video. Appreciate you watching. Have a good day.